What's going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. My apologies for my hair sticking up. It's early on a Saturday morning. I've only just gotten up and yeah, my hair was like this, and I've got quite a couple of things that I need to get done really quickly because today I'm taking the Cefiro to Robbie to get a bunch of fab work done. In yesterday's video, we got this RB20DET completely together. We got the pistons, rods, crank cradle into the bottom end. We've got our oil pump on, and then we also chucked our head on. We got our lifters, valves, cams, everything all together. What I need to quickly do in this video is I'm going to be putting both of the manifolds on this, the intake and the exhaust, and then we're also going to put the turbo on. We'll lift the motor up off the stand. Finally, this block has been sitting on this engine stand for over a year now. So yeah, it's finally going to come off. I'm going to take the clutch and the flywheel off of the 25DET, chuck it on here, and then we're going to put the gearbox on. I went and picked that up last night. This is one of my old 20DET boxes. It's the only one I've got that's not completely fucked. And then once we got those two together, we're going to chuck them in the Cefiro, and then I'm going to take it to Robbie. But yeah, like I said, fab work stuff, you'll see that in the next video. But in this one, this engine and gearbox will be going in the Cefiro, and I'm super excited. Before I go chucking this manifold on, I've got to finish scraping all the gasket off this side of the manifold. I did the motor yesterday, but I forgot that there'd be stuff stuck on here. I should have checked, but now I'm gonna have to do it this morning instead of the other day when I did that. Got the intake manifold on now, so that's all good. Now I'm going to mock up the exhaust manifold. This isn't going to stay on there for good. This is only going on there for mock-up purposes, so Robbie can do what he needs to do. One, I don't have all the studs that I need, but two, I think he needs to take this manifold on and off, so I'm only going to put a couple studs in. God damn, I've been running around like a headless chicken the past 10 minutes, but we've got the exhaust manifold on. I've got my ratchet strap on the motor so I can lift it up with the crane in a sec. I've just backed out the head drain bolts here, and I've put some thread tape around them just so we don't get that leaking, because that is a pain in the ass. I've blocked it off for now. I will be running a head drain on this, but I don't have a sump with a fitting at the moment, so yeah, that's just blocked off for now, but yeah, we will be using that. Massive thanks to you, you're helping me.
I need bigger.
Oh, you need bigger? My girlfriend's taking a few things off the 25 that I need for this. So yeah, I'm about to lift this up with the crane, get it off the engine stand, and then so I can put the flywheel clutch on, and then we can get the gearbox bolted up to it.
Ugh. Okay. I'll just take the whole fucking thing off then. Enough?
Yep, you don't need too much.
I've got a whole...
So like that right there is enough, you don't even have to do that.
Oh, right.
If you just put like a long line on it, and once I screw it in, it'll go all over it. So we're about to torque my flywheel down. I've done the trick, just put a bolt into where the bell housing goes and a bolt into where the clutch bolt goes. Spanner stops the whole motor from turning over. Hey, can you do me a favour and stand here and push up against the manifold so it stops it from twisting? Alright, it's 100 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to go up to just under 120. Please.
Are they 12 or 10?
12. Lower it a bit. Up a bit. Jiggle it around, like up and down. One there. No, grab that top one. Put it through that hole. Alright.
I think at my age I would know this. Get a shorter extension.
I am sweating my absolute ass off. Both me and my girlfriend have been running around the past hour trying to sort this out. I was supposed to be at JB Fab to see Robbie about an hour ago, so I'm running late, but engine and gearbox is ready to go in now, so just got to quickly pull this shit back, and then we should be able to just throw it straight in. Pull it. Now push on the hoist this way. Yeah, stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, stop. Push forward again.
Keep going.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
A little bit more. Yeah. Alright, stop. You push it forward a bit.
Good.
More.
More.
Alright, go down more. Alright, stop. Push it forward. tight, just make sure it doesn't hit anything on that side. How close is the firewall?
Wee bit.
Hold it there.
Yep.
Ah, fuck, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put the motor mounts on. What's that? There's only one way it can go for it to line up against all four. Can you lower the engine brake?
Ow. Yeah. Slightly.
Yeah. In!
Josie! I'm going to take the strap off.
Yep.
Strap on, strap on.
Would you look at that, boys? The Cefiro has a motor in it. This is exciting. I am shattered, but this day is nowhere near done. That will pretty much wrap it for this one. But right now I am about to tow this thing to JB Fabrication, where yeah, we're gonna get a bunch of stuff done. Gonna get the intercooler piping done, gonna get some tabs done to mount the intercooler. Gonna get a downpipe made, and we're also gonna get a screamer going right out the bonnet. So yeah, we got some cool things happening. But yeah, now this car's come together pretty quickly. It was literally 3 weeks ago that this was a shell that looked like it had been left in a barn for several years. It was gross, disgusting, full of shit. Yeah, now we have a nicely painted engine bay. It's got a freshly rebuilt RB20DET in it. And now it's gonna get some fab work done. And then yeah, once that fab work's done, we've got to sort out fuel system, do some wiring stuff next week, connect the brakes, and then Thursday, hopefully we can get it running and tuned. But yeah, I've got to go to JB Fab. I'm running late. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Big thank you for all the support, and we'll catch you in the next one.